it just looks better. It doesn't break off as often, you know, like. And I do wish I'd known this, but the thing is with 4C hair, the more water you put in it, the more it coils up. So I think that's what I didn't enjoy about putting water in my hair, or even getting rained on, or even like on a cloudy day, you know, if it's gonna rain, Jay, you're having a bad day as a natural hair person. Sanmunani guys, and welcome to my channel. Yes, welcome to everybody that's been here before, and welcome to everybody that is new. If you don't already know, my name is Angel, and in my channel I talk about locs, I talk about life, I talk about music, I actually sing music for you. So if you like things like that, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification as well, so you don't miss anything that I'm doing. So today what I want to talk about is what my locs have taught me about my 4C hair. So me, I'm a natural hair lover, like hardcore, you know, like I just love natural hair. And of course now it's like locs more than anything, and I've actually wanted locs for the longest time. So I first like had my big chop in 2010. I was in grade 10, yeah, Jay, I was feeling myself. I was the girl with the natural hair, you know. And I had always imagined that when I matriculate, that's graduate for our American people. But I always imagined that when I matriculate, I'm gonna get myself locs, right? And I was so determined. So I was growing my hair out with the ultimate goal of getting locs. 2012 came, and I didn't get locs. Yeah, I think I should just tell you that story another day. But yeah, I didn't get locs, and I was so bummed. I was so bummed that I didn't want my afro anymore, you know. Like I just felt like, why do I have you on my head if you're not going to do what I want you to do? So I relaxed my hair. Yeah, I permed it, which wasn't the best idea because I really didn't enjoy the experience anymore. 3 days later, I cut it all off and I started my little afro again. So yeah, fast track into 2019. Yeah, 2019, I was like, you know what, Gashi, I'm not really built for afro. Me, what I want is locs. And from like support, I got you're a grown woman. I got support, and what that told me was, you're a grown woman. Grown women make their own decisions. So I mean, girl, if you want to get locs, get locs. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get locs. So I got locs, and yeah, it's been the best thing ever in my life. And now I noticed that there are like some differences in having loose natural hair and locs. Of course there are differences, but now I just realized that my locs are teaching me things that I thought I knew, or that I should have known about my natural 4C hair. I have like very coarse coiled hair, and yeah, so my locs are giving me like very hard lessons, and I want to tell you about them. Maybe you also might experience these things, or maybe you're noticing them now, or maybe will notice them as I tell you. So let's get into that. Okay, so the first thing that it's taught me, and I thought I knew this, yes, I thought I had it down, is that 4C hair needs to be hydrated all the time. Like, I thought I did it, you know, like I would moisturize my hair with like some like a water-based moisturizer or oil-based. Like I didn't really have like a strict routine, but I thought I did. But now I have a spray bottle. Okay, like it's all the way down there now, but I have a spray bottle where I put water and coconut oil, and literally every single morning I will spray my hair, like before or after, like I take a bath, and I'm gonna like maybe tie it up or like leave it, whatever I do to my hair though. After I take a bath, I spray it with my little spray bottle, and I can feel the difference. Like it feels so much thicker. Firstly, it feels good even to the touch. Like it looks darker, and I think it looks darker because it's hydrated, because dry hair looks kind of dusty, so it just looks better. It doesn't break off as often, you know, like, and I do wish I'd known this, but the thing is with 4C hair, the more water you put in it, the more it coils up. So I think that's what I didn't enjoy about putting water in my hair, or even getting rained on, or even like on a cloudy day, you know, if it's gonna rain, Jay, you having a bad day as a natural hair person. So yeah, but I think maybe there could have been ways to go around it, but it's cool because I got locks. Like, I spray my hair and it just stays the way it is. Yeah. The second thing that having locks has taught me is natural hair doesn't want to be touched a lot. Don't move it around a lot. Don't over manipulate it, because that's when breakage can happen. Routine is also very important. So like I said, I spray my hair and then I'll style it, or if I feel like it's extra dry, I'll spray it and then I'll add an oil to it as well. Base my scalp sometimes, and then wash, of course. Like, having a routine so that you're not doing extra to your hair, unless of course there's like any events that you go into where you wanna do a little extra, but like, don't move it around too much. Also, protective styles are also very good, because you moisturize and water up your hair, then you style it, just let it be. That's also very good. But if you've seen my visual lock journey, you will know that I am not trying to do that. I'm not trying to do that. And I was actually even considering, because like December time is coming now, right? And December time is a very busy time if you're in South Africa. I don't know if other countries actually do this, but like, our December time, that is party time, go out time, get busy time. And for me, I'm an artist, I'm a guitarist, singer, performer, so that is the busiest time for a performer. So I was even considering like styling my hair, but I have this feeling of I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So I think I'm just gonna let it be. But like I'm saying, I don't over manipulate my hair. I'll spray it and then tie it up, or do whatever style that I'll be having for the day. At the end of the day, take it down. Maybe if it does feel dry, if it was like a really, really hot day, I'll spray it again, and then just, let it be. Don't touch your hair too much. Okay, another thing that having locks has taught me is to have your set of products that you use, right? For me, I feel like simplicity is key. So I don't like having a lot of products and even not having the same sets that you use. That I feel like is wrong, because it confuses your hair. It puts off, I've heard them say, pH balance. Yeah, but like, it just messes with your hair. So have a set list of products that you use, so that you don't confuse your hair, you don't dry it out, because then it'll break, and then like it'll like recede, and then you're not happy. Gandhi, you can be happy with just a set of products that you use, and not too much as well. That's what it's been teaching me, because I use just water and coconut oil for now, but as it's getting longer, I see that there are things that I need to incorporate into my lock maintenance routine. But yeah, well, I will find it and then I will use that. The last thing that my locks have taught me, and I did know this, but it's just been like, verified now, is that 4C hair is beautiful. 4C, 4B, 4A, 3, like whatever hair that you have, your hair is beautiful as long as you know how to maintain it, and as long as you know what your hair needs, because what your hair needs is not the same as what your friend's hair will need. Everything is specific to you. So once you understand how to maintain your hair and what it wants and what it doesn't want, you realize that your hair is just beautiful. And like, I appreciate my hair so much, and all the changes that it's going through right now. And not to say that I hate afro, like I hated my afro. I did not hate, I loved my hair. I loved it so much. But for me, it had to be locks. It had to be. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching up until this point. Please do like the video if you enjoyed it, and tell me about your hair as well. Do you have 4C hair? Do you have an afro? Do you have locks? have you changed between the two, and which do you think for you was a better experience? And yeah, just let me know. Tell me about you. And also do subscribe to the channel, because every Wednesdays I post videos like this, and videos about the general things. And then on Saturdays is where I serenade you, and sometimes on Sundays I take you along with me to my gigs. So do stay tuned for that. Turn on the bell notification so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much, and stay blessed.